We're here today with home improvement expert Lou Manfredini. He has some tips on how to inexpensively and efficiently get your home ready for fall. And he'll also tell you what safety gear you need to prevent injury. Hi, Lou.
Hi, nice to see you.
What should we be talking about in the fall getting our homes ready?
Well, you know, one of the biggest bangs for anybody's buck is adding insulation to their attic space. It doesn't matter what time of year you do this. It really can have a dramatic difference in your energy costs and the overall comfort level inside your home. Now, this is a roll of fiberglass insulation that can be used up in an attic space, but you can also use the blown-in cellulose insulation, and this is absolutely something you can do yourself. But you want to make sure that you're taking the correct safety precautions before you get up there and do this. You want to wear long-sleeve clothing to protect your skin. You definitely want to wear a respirator over your face so that you're not breathing in the particulate that comes off of this insulation. And you absolutely want to be wearing safety glasses for this project. And it will make a difference in your overall energy costs. As a matter of fact, you can save up to 10% on an annual basis.
If we talk about maybe adding some flair to the house, to the home, by maybe refinishing a piece of furniture or floor, what can you tell us about that?
Well, it's all about reusing, right? We don't necessarily have to run out and buy new things. There's a category of products you'll find at the hardware store or home center that falls under the amalgamator category in the refinishing section there at the store. You use some quadruple zero steel wool with this wood amalgamator, and you dip it in there, and then you go back and forth over the wood grain. What this does is essentially it's a facelift for the furniture. You take those scratches, those heat rings off of maybe the dining room table or a chair, even the kitchen cabinets. You know how it gets sticky by the handles? Well, you can use that steel wool to wipe that away and use a cotton rag to renew it, and it looks brand new. But keep this in mind, it's a petroleum-based product, and so wearing a respirator is important. Now, the 3M Tech Protection line has a cool flow valve on the front, which is a nice piece of technology because when you exhale, all of the air gets evacuated from behind this mask, and then when you inhale, the filtration protects your lungs so that when you're doing all this work, you're doing it safely and effectively.
It really sounds to me that you don't necessarily think about how important safety is in projects like this. Maybe you can tell the viewers kind of what they should be doing.
This is really important. I think that for many of us, it's all about having a smart plan, right? You not only need the products to get those projects done around your home, but you need to think about your own safety. Now, I talk about eye protection. It's a must, no matter what project you're doing. And it's not like the old glasses we used to use in science class. These are stylish, they're comfortable, and they're affordable. So you want to make sure you're doing that. Your hearing is something as well. This is something with these earplugs that people always forget about. If you're using any kind of large piece of equipment, maybe a lawnmower, you're using a circular saw, these you roll in your fingers, they kind of compress a little bit, and then you put them inside, they expand, and they lower the decibel rating to protect your hearing. It's very important to protect yourself before you do any work around your home.
I'm looking at that nicely painted toy in the background. What can you tell me about that guy?
It looks nice, huh? Take a look at what it looked like before we actually spray painted it. You know, you've got these toys that your kids maybe use. They get beat up, and what happens to them? You throw them away. You put them in the landfill. Millions of pounds of this plastic ends up in a landfill. You can renew it yourself. Spray paint lines have come out, different manufacturers with products that actually stick to the plastic tenaciously. Look at how pretty this looks. We actually change the color, but they make the same colors as well. Always use this in a well-ventilated area, mostly outside if you're going to do it. Make sure you're wearing a respirator, safety glasses, and you can do the same thing.
Where can we go for more information?
If you want more information on how to keep yourself safe when it comes to working in and around your home, go to 3mtech, and that's TEKK.com.
Thank you, Lou.
Take care.